Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on 31st of January 2022. Yes, this environmental science quiz is conducted every week on Monday to prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrances and to know something about our environment. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in this environmental science quiz, you can win cash prizes if you become the monthly top performer of the month. Yes, in order to know all the rules about this quiz contest, you can pause this video and go through all these rules. So the first question was, with reference to ecological succession, which among the following is known as pioneer community to colonize on bare rock? And here, among the four options, the correct option will be option number C. Lichens are the pioneer community to colonize on bare rock. So what are this pioneer community? The species that arrive first in the newly created environment are called the pioneer species. And through their interaction, they build a simple initial biological community which develops, and then gradually they form the final stage species which are known as what? Which are known as the climax species. Yes, pioneer community are the initial species and final stage species are called as climax community. So you should note down all these things. And now we will know something about the types of ecological succession. Yes, mostly they are divided into two categories. Number one is zero share and number two is hydro share. So here zero share means the succession occurring in the dry region, dry ecosystem, and in wet ecosystem, hydro share kind of ecological succession is seen. Zero share are also two kinds of, specifically lithospheres and semospheres. So lithospheres are the ecological succession where the plants colonize on bare rock. So the question was asking about this question only, lithosphere type of ecological succession where the lichens are the first community to colonize. Next, coming to the other dry kind of ecological succession, that is semosphere, where plants colonize on the coastal sand dunes. So sand dunes में जहाँ पे इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन होता है वहाँ पे हम सेमोस्फीयर काइंड ऑफ सक्सेशन कहेंगे, जो कि एक तरह का जीरो शेयर सक्सेशन है. Next, coming to hydrosphere, it is also divided into two categories. You can say mostly the hydrospheres means the succession which occurs in the freshwater region. Where it is given halospheres, that means it is telling about the salt areas or salt ecosystem where the plants or the pioneer communities colonize in the salt marshes and sea estuaries. So this table is very important. Kindly note it down. Let's move on to the next question. So the second question was, which of the tiger reserve pairs is or are correctly matched? So among the three here, none of them is correctly matched. Yes, option D will be correct. None of them is correctly matched because Sariska Tiger Reserve is situated in Rajasthan, not Gujarat. Rajaji Tiger Reserve is located in Uttarakhand, not Uttar Pradesh. And Bandipur Tiger Reserve is situated in Karnataka. Yes, it is also not in Maharashtra, it is in Karnataka. So these three are very important tiger reserves also. Let's move on to the third question. The third question was, plantation of which of the following trees can help to prevent forest fires in the Himalayan region? So this was a bit confusing question for some of you. So here option B will be correct. Rhododendron species help to prevent forest fires in the Himalayan region. How? By plantation of trees like, so some other trees also you should note down, such as bunch oak, myrica, elder and rhododendron. So these trees, if you are planting in between the chir pine or char pine, you can say, trees can help to prevent forest fire. So these trees can help to prevent forest fire, and char pine are the main reason for the forest fire. So here char pine are not preventing forest fire, they are the major reason for the forest fires in the Himalayan region. This you should also know that. Let's move on to the fourth question. So the fourth question is also on your screen. The question was, which of the following are organochlorine pesticides? And the options given were DDT, endosulfan and eldrin. So here all these three are the examples of organochlorine pesticide. So option number D will be correct. That is 1, 2 and 3. All these are examples of organochlorine pesticide. Let's move to our final question. The final question was, the global warming potential, that is GWP, of a greenhouse gas is not dependent. So it was mentioning is not dependent on which of the following factors, and here the correct option will be option number C. Yes, because the factors which are dependent for the global warming potential of greenhouse gas are absorption capability of that greenhouse gas for the infrared radiation. So how much of infrared radiations that greenhouse gas is able to absorb, it determines its global warming potential. Similarly, atmospheric lifetime of that greenhouse gas also helps in determining the global warming potential of the greenhouse gas. But range of ultraviolet wavelengths it can absorb, it does not have the dependency on the global warming potential of the greenhouse gas. So option C is the incorrect statement. So now we will reveal the results for this quiz contest, and the winner for this week's quiz contest is Shilpi Lala. So congratulations to Shilpi for securing 5 out of 5 questions correctly. So congratulations, you are the top performer for this week. And other participants who have also done well are Varsha, Mehak Sandalya, P. Tyagi, Geeta Sharma, Nimisha, Akash Kumar and Joel. So congratulations to all of you. Thanks for participating in this quiz and making it a successful one. So if you want to participate in this quiz, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon to get all further updates whenever I upload any video. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.